All right. Went to the store to see what supplies were left on the shelf, and I came across this right here. Coconut milk. I thought, well, it's time to make some sticky rice. Haven't made it for a while, so I'm going to make it, show you how to do it. All right, to start with 4 cups of sweet rice or Thai glutinous rice. I got this out of the freezer. The reason I keep it in the freezer is to keep the weevils from growing. So you take that 4 cups of rice that I got there, and then you soak it in water. Okay, now it's been soaking in water. We're going to let that soak for at least 4 hours. I put it in a larger bowl because that rice will expand. We don't want it to overflow. Okay, for the ingredients, we're going to use 2 cans coconut milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And we'll use some vanilla, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to cook that up till it's warmed up. Alright, these are our ingredients for the pudding sauce that we're going to put on our sticky rice. So we got 2 cans coconut milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of vanilla concentrate, and some salt. Okay, the way we're going to cook the rice is we have a steamer basket inside a steamer pot with water in it. We're going to put the soaked rice in there and then cover it with a lid, and we're going to steam it. I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright, been steaming it now for about 20 minutes, and look at the steam coming off that. It's pretty good. And we got this, the sauce simmering on low heat. Gotta keep it stirred so it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. It doesn't really need to cook, it just needs to be hot. Alright, we gotta check the rice to see the consistency real quick. Ooh, it's getting close. Still a little, I don't know, tough, I can tell. We want it to be soft and fluffy. Alright, I'm going to check it to see if this is warm enough. Ooh, it's getting close. All right, it's been about 30 minutes and the rice is done. So I'll turn the heat off and we gotta get the rice, put it in a bowl and fluff it up. Yeah, it's nice and chewy. It's not hard. Oh yeah, it's fluffing up nicely. Okay, so all there is left is looks like the sauce is ready to go too. So we're just going to put this in bowls and put sauce over it. And if you like it with a little bit of mango, you can slice up a mango and put on it as well as an added treat. Alright, this is how we prepare it. This is sticky rice via Steve. This is how I do it. This is not the only way to do it. This is definitely not the way that restaurants do it, but it's the way I like to do it. So put your rice in the bowl. Get your sauce here. And put as much sauce on as you feel like you need to get the consistency that you want. I like sauce, so I put more on than most. And stir it up. And again, if you want a little bit of mango with that, slice up a mango, put on top of that, and she is ready to eat.